Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm going to be creating a Vampirina themed chip bag. I have not started on this design yet. I just have pictures over here to the side that I'm going to figure out how the heck I'm going to place these. So my guess to start with the front. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so I guess to start with the front, I'm going to figure out what the heck I want on the front. No. I'm going to start with the back. I'm going to start with the sides. I lied. My bad. Okay. No, I don't like that. I don't like that. Alright, let me see what this is. Alright, let me crop the little ruler out. Alright. Ruler's cropped out. Now I'm going to go to format and go to corrections to see if I can, yes, make that more vibrant. And as always, you know, all of these images will be available on my Patreon page. Okay, not bad. I want to copy. Paste it, but let me see. No. Nope. Okay. Nope. Don't like it. Don't like how it was looking on the other side. Okay. What the freak am I going to do? Alright, let's go with this. Alright, this is not looking bad. Alright, you guys. I think we have a winner for the sides. Or should I say the back? Let's push it backwards. Yep, okay. This is the winner. And then for the front, I'm going to go ahead and go with this black. Where's the, okay, there it is. Okay, now for the front. Okay, I don't want you at all. Let's try this. Let's see what she looks like by herself. Okay, Miss Vampirina, you look cute, girl. Alright. Alright. Let's go back to corrections. Oh no, that's too dark. Nope, I don't like that. Okay, go back to corrections. Let me see. Okay, yeah, lighten her up. Make her more bright. A little dark. Alright. Cute. Cute girl. But now it looks a little plain. So let's bring in these bats. Let's put these bats up in the corner. And let's push them to the back. Alright. Bring this spider web over here to this corner. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, it's starting to look like something, but let's bring that spider web down a little bit more. It look kinda. Alright. Alright, let's see. Because a lot of the invitations that I looked at had the moon, had the bats, and had the spider webs. Let's push it back. Okay, not bad. Now let's bring in a border. You guys know I got to have my border. It's not a chip bag if it don't have a border. So let's go to inserts, go to shapes, and of course we want the rectangle. So let's go ahead, put that down. I'm going to format. I'm taking the outline off, no outline. And I'm going to go ahead and fill this in with the purple color. Do I want it darker? Let's go a little bit darker. Let's go a little bit darker. Okay, that one looks good. My child is trying to come in my room, you guys. Alright, let's copy this. And I'm just going to paste it down here. And then it looks like her sleeves are like a light pink. So I'm just going to go to insert. Well, no, let me just copy. I'm just going to copy and paste it. Copy, paste it. I already copied and pasted. Why did I just do that again? Format. Let me change the height of this. Let me make this super tiny. I'm going to now change this to that light pink that's in her shirt. Yep, there we go. Now let's copy that little line and put it down here as well. Alright, girl, this thing looking alright. It's looking cool. Alright, now let's go ahead and insert. Let's insert our happy birthday. Let's see. I know I got some Halloween font. Oh goodness, no, that is not what I'm talking about. And I have no idea what the other one was called because it was something weird. Alright, I'm not gonna keep looking. You guys know how to pick the font. Alright, now let's do color. I guess let's go with the purple. Let's see if we outline it in white. What does it look like? Alright, now let's go to Google and see what these invitations had on them. Alright. Fantastic party. Fantastic. Okay, they all look like they're all saying fantastic. Okay, so that's what we're gonna go with. So let's go here, inserts. Thanks so much for coming out. For coming. What the heck do I normally put? No, I'm gonna put birthday. I like birthday better. Okay. So let's just go with that. Let's go with the light pink this time, outlined in white. And we're gonna slide this over here to the back. Alright, let's put Vampirina over here. That's cute. And then we can put her actual name right here. Look at that. That is adorable. And that fast, it is done. We have it complete. I like the way it turned out. Okay, so that is, no, I don't like this. Can we do the blue? Okay, blue don't look bad. Alright, you guys, that is my design for a Vampirina themed chip bag. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. The pictures and the images are the same thing. What am I talking about? They're going to be on my Patreon page, as well as templates. The videos for the templates are on my Patreon page as well. So